The GIGA W3 Professional introduces state-of-the-art coffee technology to the workplace. Elegant and professional, the automatic coffee machine provides everything that counts in a modern working environment for customers, visitors, and employees. The intuitive control concept with TFT display, rotary selection, and easy-to-identify preparation buttons make it easy to create 43 individual programmable coffees. The GIGA W3 Professional features a large 35.3-ounce bean container and aroma preservation cover. The machine prepares every specialty coffee to perfection, 2 at a time. As well as being easy to operate and program, the machine is designed to be very easy to care for. All the control elements are conveniently accessible on the front. The integrated rinsing and cleaning programs can be started at the touch of a button, minimizing the effort involved in day-to-day machine maintenance and guarantee TUV-certified hygiene. The intelligent water system automatically switches to filter mode and starts the rinsing process to leave the optimum ingredient for perfect coffee. Pure water for pure enjoyment. With its bold, expressive design, elegant materials, and precision craftsmanship, the GIGA W3 makes it possible to design an optimum coffee solution for any setting.